The construction of the world's tallest rail bridge in Manipur is underway. It is going to be complete, hopefully, by 2023. Milan Sharma with this report.
In the northeastern state of Manipur, BJP has sounded the poll bugle before the upcoming assembly elections. And just like the campaigning is picking up pace, so are the infrastructure and development projects in the northeastern region.
Overlooking the banana farms and paddy fields through the beautiful lush green forest cover, the Indian Railways is working on an ambitious broad gauge project. The rail network, delayed by several years, holds significance for national security as well as transportation. The Railways is making the world's highest bridge for a train to run on. At 141 meters high and 700 meters in length, this project will connect the two regions of Jiribam and Imphal, the capital of Manipur. The rail will traverse through 5 hill districts spanning 220 kilometers, a travel time that now takes 12 hours, traversing through the rough mountain terrain.
The Indian Railways is making 50 such tunnels which will cut through major mountains, and there will be 140 such bridges that will support the project, providing the much needed connectivity from Jiribam to Imphal. A travel distance that takes about 12 hours to complete in the mountains will definitely be cut down to less than 2.5 hours.
Railway officials say the project will be a boon from the national security perspective.
From a defense point of view, Manipur is from the eastern side you have the complete border of Myanmar, and the north side you have the border with China. So from strategically, it is very important for us for mobilization of our military equipments and the military forces.
But construction in the region is very often disrupted by landslides during the rainy season. The bridge is also being built to withstand earthquake shocks of 8.5 on the Richter scale, in a region that comes under the seismic zone 5.
The entire workforce has started moving in, and we are already in full throttle work mode. The working season has started, and we are hopeful that we will be able to complete this entire project from Jiribam to Imphal by December 2023.
The BJP-led Manipur government had announced the bridge in 2018 and had set a 2020 deadline. The delay was blamed on terror ambushes, and a new deadline of December 2023 was set.
Once completed, this ambitious project for the northeast region will provide the much needed connectivity from Jiribam to Imphal, connecting Manipur to the mainland and further becoming one of the most strategically important projects connecting South Asia with Southeast Asia. And the Railways is hopeful that this particular project will provide impetus to the Prime Minister's dream of Look East policy. With Pavan Kumar in Manipur, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.